Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. Okay, if you watch the previous video I did on this index, I will put the link in the description of this video. You notice that I give a kind of prediction, not even prediction, I give an instruction that you should go on a long term on these indices. It will either sell for a long term or buy for a long term. Okay, and if you notice, my instruction is working perfectly. Look at the symbol. This is a plus sign. This is a vector direction, calculus based vector direction, and this is a support zone. I will not explain what happened here, but if you have been following me and if you have been subscribing to my channel, you will learn a lot from what has happened here. If you really want to make it in this trading of a thing, we have actually stopped rendering signal on rise and fall market, which is a drop buying off, and the 𝒓𝒂𝒂𝒅 drop, which is multiplier signals that to grow your account from $1 to bigger amount. Why we stop it is because of some security reasons, but right now we open services on MT5 signal services, that is Forex space, gold, like metals, commodity, Forex space like USD, GBP, and then volatility indices like V75, jump indices like 𝒓𝒊𝒔𝒌, there's indices like there's 900, the counterparts, boom and crash indices. Okay, we are still offering signals on those assets. All you need to do is to join and change your life. Okay, in future we are going to reopen binary options trading signal, that is signals on multiplier, rise and fall market, highs and lowers, touches and no touch. We are going to open them into one group, and it will be on monthly, yearly and lifetime subscription basis. Don't miss it as you miss a drop and 𝒓𝒂𝒂𝒅 drop. The reason why we close it is for security reason. FBI is monitoring and they are not happy with what is happening. How can someone be taking a unity amount of money to infinity amount of money? Basically so amount to infinity, and I don't want to risk my life. That's why I have to end it. So the traditional way of making money, you have to join. Okay, and the truth is that we are exceptionally good. The reason is that if you join other group, it's not that I'm working against anybody. The truth is that if you are losing at a rate of let's say 50%, here you are making profit at a rate of more than 1,000%, 10,000%, 100,000%. You're gonna